The story of Pavia. The town of Pavia was named after Pavia. Actually, during the Spanish period, it was originally part of Haro, Iloilo, before becoming independent. It was believed that Pavia was settled by the Malays before the invasion of Spaniards. It was later settled by the Chinese as evidenced by archaeological diggings of Chinese burial ground on the embankment of Cabugao Sor. Approximately between the 15th and 16th century, the Malays and the Chinese established trade and commerce in the settle with an estimated population of 200 to 400. Pavia officially became an independent municipality on April 26, 1941, through Executive Number 604 signed by President Manuel L. Quezon. However, its development was interrupted by World War II, which delayed its full organization as a town. After the war, Pavia was able to recover and gradually establish its local government and community structure, leading to the way progress we see today. Significant people. Unlike some towns that have a clearly identified founder, Pavia does not have a single documented founder. Instead, its foundation and growth are the result of collective efforts. Early settled, local leaders, and community members all played a town. They contribute the land of groundwork for Pavia's development over the years. Modern contributors. In the modern times, Pavia's continue to grow because of the dedication of its people. Government officials work to improve infrastructure and public service, while educators help shape the future generation. Business leaders contribute economic growth. The ordinary citizens support the community through their daily efforts. Altogether, these individuals serve as a modern-day heroes of Pavia. Location. Geographically, Pavia is located just north of Iloilo City, making it highly accessible and strategically positioned. Because of this location, it serves as a gateway of rest of Iloilo province. It's classified as the first-class municipality, which means it was high level of income and economic activity compared to other towns. Land and population. Pavia's land area of approximately 32 square kilometers and composed of 18 barangays. It has population of more than 70,000 residents, making it one of the more densely populated municipality and province. This growth population reflects the increased urbanization and economic opportunities. Economy. In the past, Pavia was mainly dependent on agriculture, especially rice farmings. However, over times, it has transformed into center of commerce and trade. Today, the town featured shopping malls, business establishments, and residential subdivisions. Despite the modernization, agriculture still remains part of the local livelihood, showing the balance between tradition and progress. Food and attraction. Pavia also reflects the rich culinary tradition of Iloilo through its well-known delicacy, bayi-bayi. This is traditional snack and made from grated coconuts and toasted ground rice, showcasing the simple yet flavorful ingredients rooted in the local practices. The making of bayi-bayi been passed down through generations, symbolizing Pavia's agricultural heritage and the community creatively and perceiving its culture. In conclusion, Pavia is a town that successfully blends its historical roots with the modern development. From the origin, part of Haro, to becoming thriving municipality, to continues to grow and adapt to changing times. With strategic location, strong community, and economic progress, Pavia truly stands out as a place where tradition meets progress.